Morning students, how are you? Now see question number 7 of exercise 9.1. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. See student, this one is building. On building, one tower is fixed, A, B, C. So from one point, tower top and tower bottom, two angles become. One angle is of 45 degree. Another one is of 60 degree. So building height is given 20 meter. They are saying find the height of the tower. This one they are asking. So you can start with let height of the tower is equal to x. This one you can take as x. Then after this, in right angle triangle BCD BC upon CD equal to tan 45 degree. BC value 20, CD we don't know, tan 45 1. CD become 20. So this one become 20 meter. Then after this, now in right angle triangle ACD, AC upon CD equal to tan theta, tan 60 degree. AC is what? X plus 20, CD 20, tan 60 root 3. 20 you will take on that side, x plus 20 equal 20 root 3. 20 you will take on that side, 20 root 3 minus 20. 20 you will take common, root 3 minus 1. Therefore, height of tower equal 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter is our answer. Now see beta question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. See student, one building and one tower like this given. So this is your question number 9. In this student, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. This one is 30 degree. Then after this, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. This one angle is 60 degree. And tower height is 50 meter. So they are saying find the height of the building. A, B, C, D, like this you can write. See student, let height of the building is CD according to question. In right angle triangle ABC, AB upon BC equal to tan theta. AB 50, BC we don't know, tan 60 degree. 50 upon BC equal to root 3. This one you can interchange, BC become 50 by root 3. After this, now in right angle triangle DCB, DC upon BC equal to tan theta. DC equal BC into tan 30 degree. DC equal BC value 50 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. DC 50 by 3. Therefore required height 16 and 2 by 3 meter is our answer. Now see question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point on the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. See figure also given in this. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. This one is tower. Like this figure given, name it with A, B, C and D. This one is 30 degree. This one is 60 degree. This one given 20 meter. They are saying find the value of this and find the value of this. Like this we will solve. See student, you can start with according to question. In right angle triangle ABC, AB upon BC equal to tan 60 degree. P upon B, AB upon BC equal root 3. AB equal BC root 3. BC this side multiply, mention this one as 1. Now in right angle triangle ABD, AB upon BD equal to tan 30 degree. AB upon, in place of BD you can write BC plus 20, 1 by root 3. So this one you will take on that side. AB equal BC plus 20 by root 3. Mention this one as second. After this you can write from first and second. See student, LHS is same. BC root 3 equal to BC plus 20 by root 3. Root 3 you will take on this side, multiply 3BC equal BC plus 20. BC you will take on this side, 3BC minus BC equal to 20. 2BC equal to 20. BC equal 20 by 2, 10. So width of the canal is, therefore width of the canal is 10 meter is our answer. One more they are asking, AB, put the value of BC in first. Here AP equal 10 root 3. Therefore height of the canal, height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. So student, 10 meter and 10 root 3 meter are of your answer. So complete and revise your work till question number 11 of exercise 9.1.